how you can ignore and unignore messages in Messenger. Now before we start and before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is update your Messenger to its latest version. So just go to your app store and search for Messenger app, check if there is an update available and update it. So after you've updated it, you can go back to your Messenger and just find the text that you want to ignore. After you find the person, what you need to do is just swipe and there you will see more option. Tap on more. Now there you will see a mute option. Tap on mute. Now you can just mute this chat for few hours or 15 minutes, or you can change it to until I change it. So after you do that, this message will just get muted and you won't be getting any notification from it. So after you do that, you can even archive it and now it will not even be in your sight. So after you do this, you can just completely ignore the person and you won't get bothered by it. So now I'll teach you guys how to unignore it. Now since the message has been archived, all you need to do is tap on this 3 lines on the top left and there you will see an archive option. Tap on archive and what you'll need to do is just swipe again and there you will see an unarchive option. Tap on unarchive and go back to chat. Now after you've unarchived the chat, what you'll need to do is unmute it. To do that, just swipe again, tap on more and there you will see an unmute option. Tap on unmute and now you'll start getting the messages from that person again. So yeah, it's that simple guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.